Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're bringing a little taste of Turkey to your home with these Turkish chicken kebabs, juicy, flavorful, and packed with warm spices. Back in 2019, my husband and I visited Turkey, and wow, I did not expect to fall so hard for the food. Every meal was an experience, starting with a cozy bowl of soup, followed by a fresh salad, perfectly grilled meats, soft, pillowy pita, and of course, finishing it all with Turkish dessert and tea. So today we're making Chef John's Turkish Chicken Kebabs, paired with a simple side salad, a creamy, garlicky tzatziki sauce, a naan bread I bought from Sam's Club. Let's get started. First up, the marinade. This is what's gonna take our chicken from meh to amazing. In a bowl, we're combining Greek yogurt for tenderness, olive oil, lemon juice, ketchup, minced garlic, a mix of warm spices, Aleppo pepper, cumin, paprika, cinnamon, salt, and pepper. Give it a good mix. Look at that color. I am using chicken tenders, but you can use chicken thigh or breast. Just make sure every piece is well coated in the marinade. This is where the magic happens. While the chicken marinates, let's make a quick and fresh side salad. I am using cucumber sliced into bite-sized pieces, cherry tomatoes halved or quartered, red onion thinly sliced for a little bite, flat leaf parsley or cilantro because that's what I have today. Toss everything together and boom, done. A simple dressing, just olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Super simple, super refreshing. No kebab is complete without the creamy, garlicky tzatziki sauce. First, grate half of an English cucumber and sprinkle it with salt. This helps draw out extra moisture. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. Then squeeze out all the water with a paper towel. Now in a bowl, mix together Greek yogurt, minced garlic, fresh squeezed lemon juice, a dash of cayenne for a little heat, salt and pepper to taste. If you have fresh herbs such as dill, add that in, but since I don't, I'm using freshly chopped green onions for some extra crunch. Stir it all together, give it a taste, adjust as needed. So good! Time to skewer our marinated chicken. I'm using metal skewers because they conduct heat and cook the chicken more evenly. But wooden skewers work too. Just soak them in water first so they don't burn. I skewered 3 chicken tenders onto a skewer lengthwise. Lay them out on a foil-lined baking sheet for easy cleanup. Now you can grill these for that authentic char or just pop them under the broiler. Set your oven to broil and cook for 8 minutes on one side, then flip and broil for another 6 minutes or until golden brown and slightly crispy on the top. Always check the doneness by cutting into a piece. Are you ready? Time to assemble. Unskewer the chicken onto a serving platter. Toss the salad with a little bit more olive oil and lemon juice. Grab some pita or naan bread. Don't forget pickled hot chili peppers for the extra kick. There you have it, Turkish chicken kebabs with a side salad and creamy tzatziki sauce. Juicy, flavorful. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.